Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been working hard in the gym and pushing your limits, you know that recovery is just as important as the workout itself. In today's video, we're talking about 5 foods that are perfect for muscle recovery, helping to repair muscle fibers, reduce inflammation, and get you back to training faster. So, whether you're lifting heavy or doing intense cardio, these foods will speed up your recovery and ensure you're ready for the next session. Let's dive right in. First up, we have salmon. This fatty fish isn't just delicious, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce muscle inflammation and soreness after your workout. Omega-3s support muscle recovery by improving blood flow, which helps repair muscle tissues faster. On top of that, salmon is a fantastic source of protein, about 22 to 25 grams per 3.5 ounces, which is crucial for muscle repair. It's a great option to include in your post-workout meals to speed up recovery and reduce any lingering muscle pain. Next, let's talk about Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is loaded with high-quality protein and probiotics, which are great for muscle recovery. The protein helps repair muscle fibers that were broken down during exercise, while the probiotics aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption. With 10 to 15 grams of protein per serving, it's a perfect snack after a tough workout. Plus, the creamy texture makes it super satisfying, and you can add fruit, honey, or nuts to make it even more nutritious. Third on the list is sweet potatoes. After a tough workout, your body needs to replenish its glycogen stores, and that's where complex carbs like sweet potatoes come in. They provide long-lasting energy and are packed with vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C, both of which help with muscle repair and reduce inflammation. One medium-sized sweet potato offers plenty of complex carbohydrates to fuel your recovery. Pair it with some protein for the perfect post-workout meal. Next, we have eggs. Eggs are often called the perfect protein source, and for good reason. They contain all the essential amino acids that your muscles need to recover and grow. The protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use it easily. Plus, eggs contain vitamin D, which is vital for muscle function and recovery. Whether scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs are a great option for a quick, effective recovery meal. Last but not least, cherries, specifically tart cherries, are a fantastic food for muscle recovery. Tart cherries are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after intense exercise. Research has shown that tart cherry juice can reduce muscle damage and inflammation, helping you recover faster between workouts. Add a handful of cherries to your post-workout smoothie or snack on them for a refreshing and beneficial recovery boost. So, there you have it. 5 amazing foods that will help you recover faster, reduce muscle soreness, and get back to training harder. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself, so make sure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients after every session. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recovery tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.